How to add and view your Shein app wishlist. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser on your PC or on your mobile device or your Shein application. Now if you are on a browser, search for shein.com and you will be redirected to the official webpage of Shein. Make sure you are logged into your Shein account. Then to add an item to a wish list, just select an item. Then next to add to cart, you will see a heart icon. Tap on the heart icon to add on your wish list. To view your wish list, just tap on the heart icon at the top of the dashboard. Then in here, you will find all of the items that you have added to your wish list. If you are ready to shop, just tap on Add to Cart. Or tap on Find Similar if you have changed your mind. To remove, just tap on the delete icon at the bottom of the item displayed. And that is how you can easily edit your wish list as well. You can filter it and you can also check the status of your item that you selected. And that is how you can easily add and view your Shein app wish list. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.